Junior NTR.
Okay.
2026 for Junior NTR. So now, interesting part is coming. So, what is the future of the actor Junior NTR in 2026?
He's planning to start something big.
Okay.
Okay.
Production house or something, maybe.
Yeah, something.
First, Indian cinema related to cinema.
So I'm getting presently he's working on himself. Okay, he's doing a lot of things. He's working on himself.
On health.
Not, you can say that
Huh,
health,
huh.
but overall he's working on something. It could be also work. He is preparing for something big
So big
project.
role. So big role maybe he's preparing.
Yeah, you can say that. Big project or big role. You can say that.
And health wise?
Health wise, he will be good.
And family as a couple? 2026 for both?
I'm getting some third person. He should not share his ideas to anyone because 2026 there is a possibility many people trying to take his idea or something. So he should not share his plannings.
That's a
Or
good tip. I think sir should listen this. Yeah.
yeah, and he should not share things with someone.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
He should do more spiritual practices, meditation. He will get all the answer. Whatever block him inside the mind. Okay, he should just meditate. He'll get the answers.
Oh, and health wise? Marriage wise?
Health wise,
Marriage wise he's fine.
yeah, his health will be good, and marriage life also good.
I mean, all have all good factors. This is a one advice, not to share ideas with anybody for Junior
Yeah,
India.
yeah. Ideas, planning. He should not share things with others.
Okay, the outsiders basically. Obviously, with wife, he must be sharing with his
Yeah,
father or
yeah.
the
He
relatives.
should not share.
Maybe he can get cheated in that. The sign we can see.
Yeah, you can say that. Yeah,
So you need to be very careful.
yeah.
So that was a tarot card reading is really amazing. I mean, I just felt that, without people present here, उनके बिना होते हुए अपने नाम से ही इतनी सारी मतलब predictions कर दी.
क्योंकि नेम में भी एनर्जी होती है.
Okay.
जब किसी के बारे में आपने बात किया, जब आप भी बात कर रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली उनका पिक्चर आपके माइंड में है, राइट?